अस्सलामुअलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। वेलकम टू सुफ़ा ई क्लास, सब्जेक्ट हिस्ट्री, क्लास 8, लेसन नंबर 6. Continue the next para of this lesson. Lokmanya Tilak, for which he was sent to the Mandalay jail at Myanmar for 6 years. Imprisonment of Bipin Chandrapal was the sentence to jail, and the Lala Lajpat Rai was the departed from Punjab. Establishment of Muslim League. The establishment of Muslim League. The British became very disturbed looking at the overwhelming response to the Indian National Congress in the anti-partition movement. The British once again followed the policy of divide and rule. They started using the propaganda that for the safeguarding to interest of the Muslim they should have the separated political organization. Due to the motivation of the British government, a committee of upper class Muslim under the leadership of Aga Khan met Governor General Lord Minto. Due to the motivation from the Lord Minto and other British officers, the Muslim League was established in 96. Next, Morley-Minto Act. Morley-Minto Act, there was the dissatisfaction among the Indians regarding the work of British government. The Indian felt that the reason of poverty in India was the economic policy of the British, oppressive policy of Lord Curzon, exclusion of the educated Indians in the government service, unjust behavior towards Indian in Africa. All this added to the dissatisfaction of the Indian people as the temporary remedy on the discontent among Indians. The Morley-Minto Reform Act 99 was the passed. According to this act, increases the number of Indian members in the legislature assembly and the province of the inclusion of some elected Indian representative in legislature assembly was made in the same act. Separated elected were the provided to the Indian Muslim. Due to this conspiracy of the British, the seats of division in India were sown. Lucknow Pact. The next is Lucknow Pact. In the Lucknow session of Indian National Congress in 1960, the leadership of Lokmanya Tilak, an attempt was made to resolve the dispute in the Indian National Congress. In the same year, there was an agreement between the Indian National Congress and Muslim League known as the Lucknow Pact. According to this pact, the Indian National Congress agreed to separate electors to Muslim, and Muslim League agreed to support the Indian National Congress in its work for getting political right to India. Next, Home Rule Movement. The Home Rule Movement in 1940, when the Lokmanya Tilak was released from the Mandalay jail, the First World War had begun in Europe. The direct consequence of this war had to be borne by India, as well as the rates of basic necessary commodities increased. यानी जो फर्स्ट वहाँ पर जो वर्ल्ड वॉर शुरू हुई फर्स्ट, तो उसका बर्डन किस पर आया? यूरोप की वर्ल्ड वॉर का डायरेक्ट इंडिया पे बियर डाल दिया गया इसका. द रेट्स ऑफ बेसिक नेसेसरी कमोडिटीज़, यानी उसके जो रेट थे वो उन्होंने बेसिक जो डेली नीड्स के थे वो रेट उन्होंने बढ़ा दिए. मैनी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस वेयर पुट अप ऑन द इंडियंस बाय द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट. दिस लेड टू इंक्रीजेस dissatisfaction in the minds of Indians. In these circumstances, Dr. Annie Besant and Lokmanya Tilak started the Home Rule movement. Dr. Annie Besant. Such movement also began in the Ireland in the against colonialism on the similar lines. Home Rule movement demanded right of self-government in India. Annie Besant and Lokmanya Tilak made extensive tour in the different parts of the country, and the demanded for the self-government reached the common people. Tilak firmly started that स्वराज इज़ माई birthright, यानी स्वराज मेरा जन्माधिकार है. और इन्होंने पूरी कंट्री में अलग अलग पार्ट्स में जाकर इन्होंने सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट का लोगों से बात कही और सबको एक नारा दिया, स्वराज मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है। किसने कहा? बाल गंगाधर तिलक। एंड आई शैल हैव इट। फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर एंड इंडिया, द वॉर एटमॉस्फियर इन यूरोप, growing the dissatisfaction in the minds of Indian, popularity of home rule movement. In such conditions it was the necessary for the British to get cooperation from the Indians. The British government decided to provide some political rights to the Indians in 1970. Montagu, Secretary of the State of India, declared that step by step Indian will be given the right to self-government and the responsible political system. Tilak also declared that if the government is going to be the show sympathy and considerable attitude toward the demanded of Indians, only then Indian public is ready to cooperate the British. This policy of Lokmanya Tilak is known as the responsive cooperation. A Montagu-Chelmsford Reform Act. In the 99, the British Parliament passed another act to bring constitutional reforms in India. This act is known as the Montagu-Chelmsford Reform Act. According to this act, less important departments were the transferred to the Indian ministers, whereas the important departments like finance, home affairs and revenue were under the control of the government. The 99 Act did not give much exposure to the demanded for the responsible government of Indians. Everybody was disappointed due to this act. Tilak criticized the act in following words: "This is neither Swaraj nor its foundation." यानी ना तो हमें स्वराज मिला है और ना ही हमारा फाउंडेशन. The Indians understood that if they have to subdue the British government, then the agitation needs to be a more rigorous. India got prepared for a new movement. लेकिन इसके बाद भी फिर इंडिया के जो पीपल थे नए मूवमेंट के लिए तैयार हो गए. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज PDF में प्रोवाइड करेंगे आपको और ये लेसन हमारा यहीं पर ख़त्म होता है. इसको आप एक बार सेल्फ स्टडी करिए इस लेसन की. अल्लाह हाफिज़.